Hello everyone, welcome back to the Content Bytes. So friends, today's video is all about how we can transfer our iPhone photos and videos to Windows based PC or laptop. Hit the Windows key and search for the Photos app. After opening the Photos app, in the left navigation panel you can see a tab External Devices. Under that your device must be mentioned. Tap on your device, like here Apple iPhone is mentioned, and now you can see all the photos and videos. Just select one by one or select all the photos you want to export. Like I am selecting few photos and videos that I want to export. After selecting all the desired photos and videos you want to export, just click on the add items. Here I have selected 6 items, that's why it's showing add 6 items. You can select the number of photos you want. Now I will tap on add 6 items, and here it's asking for the destination where you want to copy these pictures or videos. Like I want to create a new folder for this. Let's name it like iPhone imports. Here tap on create. Here's your new folder, and you can see a notification that importing 1 by 6 items from Apple iPhone to iPhone import. Now Windows is copying the media from my iPhone to the Windows file system. Okay, let it get finished, then I will show the exported files here. Now we can see the exported files in our Windows file system. Okay. And the third method using which you can export photos, like open the file explorer using this PC, and here you can see your device. Under devices and drives tab, right click on it and select import pictures and videos. And now we must pay attention. Friends, whenever we click any photo on a particular date, it gets saved inside the memory within a particular folder. The folder name assigned to that particular folder depends on the date on which pictures got clicked. So you can select the whole folder which you want to copy, and it will contain all the images of that particular day. Like I have selected 2 folders from 19th September and 20th September. It will contain all the images clicked on these 2 dates. It's very conventional when we go outside for some trips and we came back with lot of memories. So you don't need to copy a single item. Just select the whole folder of that particular day and copy it all. After selecting it, just tap on import. That's the best way to avail free storage inside your Apple device. Because we all know that if we are using 128 GB of a storage device, it's less, we all know. Thanks for watching guys.